First ball, picks it up on the onside. One bounce to the fielder.
Aftab Alam, lovely shot. Absolutely a stupendous stretch to the field. Oh, he puts it down. Ibrahim, full toss, very well played. No chance. Combination of that's a shot of the day, and gone. Strike. Fantastic delivery, appealing and gone. Back to Ayubi. Oh, inside edge. The ball. A Yorker length delivery, very well played. Oh, chance of a run out. The third one is gone. Shuffles over the top of the field. So far by him. Slower one again over the top of the fielder into the gap. Uppishly played. He timed the ball and the ball goes for the first. Last ball of the fourth over. Same shot, but this time the fielder is in pursuit. Bulem, he's knocked him over.
د شپږم اور رسیدلای بال لانګ اف کې شاټ تر لاسه کیږي
زلمی ساره دا اوه middle of the bat شپږیزه
ډیر ښه بیا هم او د وکټي غاګ دی لوثار دوام ورکړی دی ټایم ورکړ وخت ورکړ بیټر ته او غم ډیره ښه استفاده
Cass again sweeps the ball, perfect sweep, and the ball goes for him.
Back run, and that's shot. And Cranfield. Oh, that'll be
gone. He's gone. Season. KPL goes for a big one, and out. This time over the top of the fielder. There is no any chance.
Oh, that's nice. 4 runs come.
The wide last delivery of the 15th over. The ball is in the air. There is a simple chance for the fielder and
shot. Wow. Shot. Spagli. Bedul shaka. Commentary box में लोग वाले दे. Shot. Spagnur. You beauty. Stand and deliver. पकार दे कैसे तो जाम्स गोरल वाली. Yau bala. Spaga upayosta. Oh. Dera manana. Oh. Fielder sta. Oh, dera manana.
So welcome back for the second innings. Sharafuddin to start from the media ends. Straight away wanted to go for it.
Thank you very much. Mr. Salarzai. Down the track. That's gone. That'll be a simple 6 pers of the innings.
So they need to get at least 9 runs per over and more than 9. Here he goes straight. It's up in there. The ball is coming and it goes all the way.
Target for the opposition. Oh, that's nice. Touch nice. Executed nice. KKR is in fire. Starting bowling was great. Starting batting is nice. Everything is fantastic. Isn't it?
Straight away to get Morse on the board.
Yeah, this that'll be really hard delivery. Umpire is not
Sharaf is bowling his 4th. Down the tracks and smash that hard. Goes like a bullet.
Well, he'll go for another one. Oh, that's beautiful. Just one bounce ball quickly.
Expensive Sinze. This time once again, no doubt. Over the top of the fine leg and the ball once again goes for another boundary. 3. What a decent strike rate he's having. Here he cuts it straight to the fielder, but this fielder is beaten. Very poor fielding. Sloppiness shown by the fielder. And the ball runs down once again to the boundaries. One good delivery and the fielder could not stop. Let's have a look. After the bounce, the ball went through his legs. Can't believe that.
Absolutely.
When the ball went to the boundary, the fielder was pointing toward the sunshine. It was really coming into his light. So this time again, sweeps that perfectly once again, Imran Mir. And he reaches to his 50. What a brilliant knock. The dugout is
balls and consider 50. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. Up to the
زړور توپهون کې دی کومک د هغه توپهانه ګورو روانه سیاله کې ګورو چې بیا هم بال د بونډري په لمنو کې دی
شپکیزه
Sabir Hanif او ډاون کیږي مخامخ شاټ ته شپږ منډې ترلاسه کیږي
پاڼه یې کړې ده عمران میر او د بل هڅه بال د باونډري لاین په طرف ټول افغانانو ویاړي هغه هم په خپل خبر کم دا خبره وکړه سلوور دی دام کې راګیر دی او دلته دام بالکل صحیح شو عمران میر
Scored a couple of the runs. Oh, bouncer, and he crosses the wicket keeper as well. It was too high, and there's 4 byes, but wides are given. Bullingham, he knocked him over. He wanted to expose his wickets, and that was a very fantastic delivery by Khalil Ahmed to get rid of one of the very certain men. Hanif is back to the pavilion now. Second wicket is down. Appeal, but it's given at the end by Mahmood Kharote. Thinking about it, and then at the end he thought that the ball is hitting the leg stump and the middle one and given him out. So the third is Zarmati, after facing only 2 deliveries, not able to disturb the scorers, and he lost his wicket. The current run rate is very great. He goes for a big one. The ball is reacted into the air. Nobody is over there. One of the fielder from the deep cover came there, did a great job, saved a couple of the runs for his side. $60 runs to get a 44 balls. Beautifully played. Absolutely a marvelous shot. Sixes. The score. This time he goes, and he goes for a big one over the top. Last ball. Oh, and he cleaned him up. Bullingham. Before that delivery, I was talking, he's wicketless, and eventually he got. Khalid down the track. He goes for the biggest 6 of the match so far. Oh, what a shot. Absolutely a tremendous hit. That was a skyscraper. Jumadeen down the track again. I think the same result. Crossing over the top of the fielder, over the ropes for another one. This is the second one from the bat of Khalid Thaniwal. Now he is extending his shoulders. Last ball of the 15th over. Khalid. Oh, he reacted the ball into the air. The fielder is coming under it and takes the catch. And this is the end of Khalid Thaniwal scoring 32 runs. It was a half tracker. He wanted to smash that one for the third one. And this time the fielder comes around and takes a very beautiful catch at the end to finish the very big innings of Khalid Thaniwal. 2 fielders were there, and that was really a good call at the end.
ساتنه غستې ده مخکې راځي بول آوټ
Cleans him up. Oh, لالباز سینځه ډیر بستایل ورزي ډیر خپلې ته بچوانا فول لین کې ډیر مهمه او غټه وکټ د لوډل مشر قیس احمد وکټ تر لاسه کړله
هغه مخکې راغی شارټ پیچ خوشبختی ده ټاپ ایج او سلور منډې ضروري سلوریزه میډل کې هم عالی و شاټ آسا د بیټ بهر نه حصہ ده او فیلډر څه کوي فیلډر توپ پسې ګرځي او توپ د پسې ګرځي رن آوټ موقع ده आफ्ताब आलम जी ड्रेसिंग रूम था वो ड्रामा खतरनाक स्यालै کې ډیر څه پیدا کی خو وایو چې دوی لږ څه تېروتنه وکړله همغږي نه وه ستا خبره
شاٹ فیلڈر شتا هڅه کوي بریالی نه
دوی منډو غږ دوبه کوي وغورځېده دا غورځېده نه غورځېده دغه ځي کې قسم توپ د لاس نه ګزار شوی و کومنډې او شرف سکور لیول دی
For the first delivery of the super over, he wanted to go for a big one. Not able to connect it. Khalid goes for that one. He erected the ball. The fielder is running there. Crosses the ropes for a boundary. This time again, the same shot, the same result. The ball crossed. Connection. He connected this one, but straight to the fielder, and the fielder takes the catch. So the first wicket is down. Sami wanted to go for a big one, a peach of the delivery to start. Wasim again, straight shot, but the big ball of the over. That was not a very good delivery, but Sami wanted to go for a big one straight to the fielder there, but protected the strike. KKRs must be happy. Hussain Akra wanted to go for a big one, and the fielder was there. The match is finished in the favor of Kabul Zulmays.
And what an attack!
The first match comes to an end. Kabul Zulmay won the match by 10 KKR to win the match. At one stage when I was commentating there, and I was sitting right there where you are sitting right now, I was